We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make lemon garlic sautéed cabbage. This has to be one of the simplest recipes on Inspired Taste. To start, we need to shred some cabbage. To do it, carefully cut the cabbage into quarters and then cut away the core. From here, simply slice the cabbage into strips. They can be as thin or thick as you like, just keep it all a similar size as you chop. For extra flavor, we need fresh garlic. Just mince it finely. Heat some olive oil in a large skillet and then pile in the cabbage and garlic. It looks like it won't all fit, but the cabbage does wilt down. Next, add some salt and red pepper flakes for heat. Cook the cabbage, stirring occasionally until the cabbage is tender and begins to turn light brown. Cabbage may sound like a boring side, but this is one of our favorite side dishes to make. White cabbage is our favorite for this, but other cabbage varieties will work. They may just release a bit more water when cooked. See here, that's the color you were looking for. This is after 10 minutes or so. We're almost done. To finish, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice and then add more salt and pepper if you think it needs it. And that's it. Easy and ridiculously quick sautéed cabbage. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.